Hello my friends, Alena from Intense Memories. I like to share that small video because some of you ask me how I did that booklet look like book. So let's go to do it. This measure 30 and high is 22. So let's go to point 22. Oops, you don't see it. Okay, and here also 22. So I cut this 22. Let's go to do. Did I see? Yeah, okay. So it's that. This we don't need. And here we have, it's not, it's 8.3, so it's 29 and 7 millimeters. But it doesn't matter because now so that is basic, this and this, and it's, let's say, 30 by 22 centimeters. Now we will score, and we will score 10 and a half, 12 and a half, 14 and a half, and 25. So I take scoreboard and let's do it. 10 and a half is here on my scoreboard. It's 10 and a half. Then we have 12 and a half. So to do that, because I need 2 centimeters, I move that and I make 13. Then I need second 2, and because this is funny, it's not 15, so I put this on 14 and make on 16. And then we need 25. Okie dokie. So, what's next? We will fold this. 1, 2, go to straight. 3, and 4. So we get that booklet, let's say, and now from here and here we make 1.5 centimeters. So one and a half till 1.5 here, and we cut that, and we cut this till this 10.5 score. So that, and next we make something like that till here to look like book. And I take scissors and cut this. This part we need, but we also cut this one till here. Till last score. Like this, and cut this down. Okay, a little bit better. Okay. And now we will need this part and make this curve here, nice straight, and cut that. Use gum. Okay. Now we have that, and same we will do down here. Just use pencil and cut. Ta-da! And we do have basic. This I don't have to take off. This I take off because later when I will decorate I don't want to see that marks. So once again, the paper we have 30 centimeters from here to here and 22 from here to here. Then we make score here 10.5. Then this is 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters, and here is again 10.5 centimeters, and that is rest. That rest I decorate little bit with edge. I decorate little bit with scissor. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we have basic for that book, and on next video I show you the decoration. For decoration I will use that paradise paper from Mintay by Carola, and what I will need I show you on next video. And also we will need 2 magnets, because that flap it has 2 magnets and it's closure by magnet. And also we will need some nice paper for journal. So thank you very much for your attention, and see you on next video. Bye bye guys.